Hello comrades, today I'm gonna show you how to change standard notification sound of Viber. First you need to open Viber, then press this button More. You're gonna see this, press Settings, then Notifications, and here you can see notification sound, ringtone. Here you can choose one of standard or choose local ringtone and choose your from file manager. This was the standard first way. If you don't have this notification sound, you may change it different way. For that, open file manager, then press Android, Media, ComViber notification, and here you have this file that is the sound of your Viber notification. You can choose any music or sound from your telephone, like any song, rename it to this name, Viber message.mp3, and copy that file to this notification folder. You need to delete this file and paste that file with your music. This thing will help you to change default notification sound of Viber.